Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the third experiment of your CGV lab, that is program to draw a color cube and spin it using OpenGL transformation matrices. Now here we are going to draw a color cube and we are going to rotate it by using OpenGL transformation matrices. Means here we are going to use rotational matrix for rotating a particular cube. Now to draw a particular cube we require 8 different vertices. Now this is an array which declares these 8 different vertices. The first vertex is -1 -1 -1, second one is 1 -1 -1. Like this it declares all the 8 vertices. Then the next array contains normal vectors for these vertices to display it onto the screen, and the normal vector values are similar to our vertices. Then the colors for these vertices are given as 0 0 0 for first vertex. Second one will be the first one will be black, second one is red, third one is combination of red and green, fourth one is green, fifth one is blue, sixth one is combination of red and blue. Like this all 8 vertices are having a different colors. Now to draw a particular cube we need to draw the polygons. A cube consists of 6 different polygons. Now first of all we are going to write a function called polygon which draws a polygon by taking 4 different vertices. Now here you have a function called polygon which takes 4 integers which represents the index of particular vertices. Now by using those this function is going to draw a polygon. Now similarly we are going by using this polygon function now we can draw the color cube. Now we have a function called color cube which is used to draw the color cube. Now color cube is going to be drawn by drawing 6 different polygons. Now the first polygon is first polygon vertices are 0 3 2 1, second polygon 2 3 7 6, third one 0 4 7 3, fourth one 1 2 6 5, fifth one 4 6 6 7, and sixth one 0 1 5 4. Now you have drawn the polygon with different colors also. Now the next thing is you need to rotate it using a transformation matrix. Now for that we are going to define a theta as 0 0 0. Now for rotating it you just define the rotation matrix, that is rotate of theta of 0 1 0 0, theta of 1 0 1 0, theta of 2 0 0 1, and this is going to be applied on color cube. Now this cube should keep on rotating, that's why you simultaneously you keep on changing the theta angle. Theta of axis means axis stands for either x, y or z. Keep on incrementing it by 1 until it reaches 360. Once it reaches 360, subtract 360 from it. Now this rotation is going to be controlled by your mouse and keyboard. Now for rotating a particular cube from left to right, to rotate the particular cube, that is in x axis, you are going to use left button of your mouse. Now to rotate the cube in y axis we are going to use middle button, and to rotate it in z axis we are going to use right button of your mouse. Similarly we are going to use these are the buttons we are going to use for rotating that particular cube in a particular direction. Now this is your main function where you are going to create a window of size 500 500. Then the create window name is rotating cube. Then glut reshape function you have declared, that is my reshape, and display function is display. Then glut idle function is your spin cube, and glut mouse function is declared as mouse. Then finally you display this window onto the screen. Now we will save this file and we will see how to compile it and how to run it. Now to run this program first of all you compile it by using gcc command, gcc expt3.c minus lgl minus lglut minus lglu. Now once you enter this command, next successfully compiled, just give /a.out. Now it is rotating in at x-axis. Now to rotate it in z-axis or y-axis, you just press the different mouse keys. Now I have pressed, see here, it is rotating in different directions. When you press right or left buttons of your mouse, it is going to rotate in different axes. This is how you can create a cube and you can rotate it in any directions, either in x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. Thank you.